Wait, what if I told you you've been lied to about money your whole life? Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine your perfect day. What would you do? Where would you be? Who would you spend it with? Now open your eyes. How far is that perfect day from your reality? For most people, it feels completely out of reach. And you know why? Because the average person will trade 90,000 hours of their life for money, only to end up stressed, exhausted, and unfulfilled. But here's the shocking truth. Money doesn't have to control you. In fact, everything you've been taught about money is probably wrong. Today, we're going to expose the truth about the money trap and show you exactly how to break free. Part 1. How we got trapped. Let's start by understanding how we got here. From the moment we're born, we're programmed to believe certain things about money. Go to school, get good grades, get a safe, stable job, work for 40 years, retire when you're old. Sounds familiar? How many of these steps have you already followed? This is what I call the life script, and almost everyone follows it without question. But here's what nobody tells you. This system costs you $1.2 million in lost freedom. How? The average person spends $7,000 per year on unnecessary purchases just to cope with job stress. Think about it. You trade your precious time, the one thing you can never get back, for money. Then you spend that money on things you don't really need, to impress people you don't really like, and then you need more money. So you work harder and longer. It's a perfect trap, and most people never realize they're in it. Part 2. The biggest money lies. Now let's expose the 3 biggest lies about money that keep you trapped. Lie number 1. You need a lot of money to be happy. The truth? Research shows happiness plateaus at $75,000 per year. Beyond that, more money, more stress, not more joy. Lie number 2. Your job defines your worth. We've all been there. So, what do you do? As if your job title determines your value as a human being. This is complete nonsense. What's the most ridiculous job question you've been asked? Lie number 3. You should always want more. Bigger house, nicer car, newer phone. The average household carries $155,000 in debt, all to keep up with a race nobody wins. Here's an eye-opening exercise. Ask yourself, how much is enough? What do you actually need to be happy? Pause and think. What's your enough number? Part 3. The freedom formula for the good news. There's a way out, and it starts with these 3 steps. Step 1. Track every dollar for the next 30 days. Write down every single penny you spend. You'll discover 20 to 30% of your income vanishes on invisible expenses. Step 2. Find your enough number. Calculate exactly how much money you need to cover your basics plus some comforts. For most people, it's 50% less than they're earning now. Step 3. Create multiple income streams. Don't rely on just a job. 65% of millionaires have at least 3 income sources. The goal? To reach a point where your money works for you, instead of you working for money. This is real freedom. Part 4. Living free. Now imagine your life when you break free from the money trap. Waking up when you want. Spending time with who you want. Working on what matters to you. No more Sunday night dread. No more counting down to retirement. The best part? This isn't a millionaire's fantasy. 72% of people who escape the rat race do it on less than $50,000 per year. It starts with one simple decision: to stop following the life script blindly, to question everything you've been taught about money, and to design a life based on what truly matters to you. Here's my challenge to you today. Take out a piece of paper, write down your enough number, commit to tracking your spending for 7 days. That's it. Small steps lead to big changes. Will you accept this challenge? Type "I'm in the comments. Remember this, money is just a tool. It's not the goal. The real goal is freedom. The freedom to live life on your terms. So tell me in the comments, what would you do if money wasn't an issue? Let's start dreaming again. And more importantly, let's start taking action.